If your business paid an independent contractor this last year, you have tax obligations that you must fulfill. These are important and time sensitive. I'm going to walk you through the steps you must follow in a simple, straightforward, easy to follow way so that you can inform yourself and fulfill your tax obligations without any stress. Please note that this video is not intended as tax, financial, or legal advice, and is instead intended to provide you with resources. Please always consult a tax professional. Step number 1, determine if you are obligated to report your payments. If your business paid an independent contractor $600 or more in total payments throughout the course of the tax year, you are most likely obligated to report these payments. Step number 2, collect a W-9. If you haven't done so already, send the contractor a copy of IRS Form W-9 in order to collect and verify their taxpayer ID information. This form is linked in the video description. Step number 3, go to tax1099.com to generate the form. This video is not sponsored by Tax 1099. I have simply found that this is a very simple, fast, and cheap method of generating these forms. For non-employee compensation, you will be creating Form 1099 NEC. Enter in the information for your independent contractor and your business. Send a copy of this form to the contractor, to the IRS, and keep one for yourself. This must be done no later than January 31st of the new tax year. Tax1099.com will file this form to the IRS and send it to the contractor for you as long as you select that option. Step number 4, when filing your own taxes, be sure to enter in the payments to your independent contractors on your business taxes, as these are business expenses and are tax deductible. Hopefully this simplified the process for you. Now, if you want to automate this process for next year, I highly recommend signing up with Gusto to pay your independent contractors, generate those forms, and issue and file them automatically. Super easy, and the affiliate link is in the description down below. Now, if you need more detailed information to understand 1099s and independent contractors, then watch this video next.